Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Talky Soulful AI in like a really easy and like a really simple tutorial. Because for those who don't know, Talky, of course, like the Soulful AI one, is like a really smart and like a really good AI chatbot basically. So like we will just go ahead and see how that works. If I just like Talky AI here, it should come up. As you can see, even like from like the images and like the videos and even the news, like it is freaking wonderful of a technology to just like actually go on and use. You can like just, of course, like open up the site. And like, as you can see, the moment you open up this site, there is like a lot of different AI programs, like AI models, basically, that you guys can, of course, just go on and chat. These ones are the recommended ones. And of course, they speak a lot, like literally, like when I open them, you will hear what they say. So, of course, when I like click one of them, we will like listen to that as well. So, like, let's, for example, say that we have a cat. Like, we have Neon Cat. We literally have Neon Cat or Gwen Stacy from like Spider-Man comics. So let's try this one. For example, let's just, without signing in, without doing anything, just like we just entered the website, and now we are gonna go ahead and try to speak with one of the AIs, and we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna open Gwen Stacy.
Hey friends, Spider-Gwen reporting for duty. With great power comes great responsibility. What are your responsibilities right now?
As you can see, the moment you open up the AI, like this is the chat screen you are gonna see. And as you can see, like there's like an intro, like a small intro. And as they say, everything Talky says is generated by AI. So this is supposed to be Gwen Stacy. You can like listen to it over and over. Of course, that depending on what you want to do. And you can reset it through here. It will clear her historical memories. I'm gonna do that later to show you guys properly. But this is basically how this works. You open up a chatbot, an AI model, and now and then, of course, you are able to speak with that AI model through text like this. Like as you can see, I have like text here. I can say like my responsibilities are to save and protect. Who can do that for themselves? Let's say that like, let's just like give her something to talk about. And of course, I'll just go ahead and like give her that so she can tell me something else. So when I send that to her, she will tell me something else. Can we, okay.
That's admirable.
Oh.
How do you decide who needs your help the most?
Yes, as you can see, like the idea, like she thinks about it for a second, like an AI model, like as like a normal person as well. And then she gives you the text. Then after a second, she starts talking it, like actually, like audiolingually gives it to you. So you can literally just like chat with anybody. You can like give them answers. And of course, if you don't like where the chat is going, you can like shuffle the answer, get a new answer. You can like pick, generate like different responses. You can like choose a different response to go off of. So it's basically like a role play partner. You can even like choose and control at least like in a direction. So you can like make them talk about the things you want. So I can like maybe like this. Maybe like that's admirable. What do you keep yourself motivated and focused on your deities? That's a great responsibility. Or, what is your mission today? Who are you gonna save and protect? It changes the answer, and then it loads that answer. And it might say it as well before we click it, but let's click it.
What is your mission today? Who are you going to save and protect?
Yeah, like it's sometimes a little dull, sometimes a little energetic, but like it's generally giving off the right idea. So you can talk with the AI like this, or if you think you gave a wrong answer, or if you feel like it's not going to the places you want, you can just use this reset button.
Hey friends, Spider-Gwen reporting for duty.
As you can see, it's gonna
With
reset
great
everything.
power comes great responsibility. What are your responsibilities right now?
As you can see, it just reset the Talky, like these ones are gone now. But of course, if you want to see something else, I can just go back, literally take anybody else that I want. You can of course like use these AI models, like people you want, for like modern, parallel world, game and anime. Like they have popular anime characters. You can pick people from movies, especially like this is really interesting actually. Like people are really creative about it from the looks of it. They are like creating everybody into this AI model. And of course, if you want to do your own stuff, you can sign in from here. I'm gonna like sign in with my Google account because why not? We have been using the Google account for everything basically at this point. I'm gonna use that. We are gonna sign our birthday here. Confirm and sign up. As you can see, after I sign in, I can actually just like see the ones I have used beforehand. And of course, if you are using the mobile version, you can even like create your own chatbots, which is like really interesting technology actually at this point. But of course, like depending on what you want to do and depending on how you are planning to use it, that might be a really good idea, but that might be a really bad idea as well, because it is hard to create most of the time, and the AI prompts might not work properly for your own entertainment. So, like I said, make sure you are using it properly, and of course, make sure you are using it with caution. For example, there's like something called Talkybook. The Talkybook AI, of course, where it lets you create the architects or like the models yourself. You can use this platform to actually use the Talky creators. As you can see, there are like character profiles, like lets you create everything. As you can see, it tells you how to create a Talky. It tells you to put the personality, if you want to create it, the identity and the background, relationships, well-written examples, and a prologue for, of course, roleplay purposes. So, depending on how it goes, you can also like search stuff from here. As you can see, this is like, apparently these are really popular from the looks of it. Let's say I want to see something about Dante from Devil May Cry. Let's see if we have it. Like I'm not seeing it here, but let's search his brother, for example, Virgil. Maybe we can find that. Of course, we immediately find it. And there are like, you can like see how many times they were viewed. So I'm gonna take the one that was most viewed, and we will see how that goes. I'm just gonna say hi and see how he reacts. Missing required parameter. Okay. Well, I have no idea how that goes. Can we maybe, for example... Oh, we have... Well... Oh, okay.
Who is this? Shadowheart. I don't know. Gale. Lae'zel. Who are you?
As this is broken. Like I said, that's generally why it's like you shouldn't do it without like actual proper knowledge, because it might actually destroy the idea you know.
Move.
Well, Virgil finally works. Let's say, of course. Okay, his voice is actually pretty okay. So depending on the AI model and depending on how it is trained, it might actually be pretty good. But like I said, always use it with caution and make sure it's like not abused, because like I said, it's AI, it might go haywire pretty easy. They even have Bowser. Wow. Good luck having fun. That's generally it, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and Goodbye.